This stunning modern villa in Singapore exemplifies tropical luxury with its 20-meter by 28-meter L-shaped design. The home seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, featuring spacious interiors, lush gardens, and natural elements that create a tranquil sanctuary amidst urban surroundings. Designed to maximize light, air, and greenery, this two-story residence offers a perfect balance of comfort, elegance, and tropical charm. The villa's interior design emphasizes open, airy spaces and a seamless connection to nature. The living and dining areas feature a 12-foot teak timber ceiling, enhancing natural light and ventilation, while glass sliding doors open to lush landscaping. A floating teak staircase anchors the double-height volume, framed by raw concrete walls. The villa's facade showcases a harmonious blend of modern and natural elements. The ground floor features sleek off-form concrete walls, while the upper story is clad in untreated Borneo ironwood, lending warmth and texture. Large glass openings enhance the connection to nature, and the overhanging aluminum roof adds a bold, contemporary touch while providing shade and protection from tropical rain. The design balances privacy with openness, creating a striking yet inviting exterior. The ground floor of the villa is designed for both functionality and seamless living. Upon entry, 3-car parking spaces are conveniently located at the front of the house. Inside, the living and dining rooms are thoughtfully connected, creating an open, airy flow between spaces. A private bedroom offers comfort and privacy, while the kitchen is strategically placed, overlooking the lush garden to create a serene cooking environment. The outdoor area is designed for relaxation and entertaining, featuring a swimming pool surrounded by landscaping. In addition, a private garden offers an ideal space for unwinding, complemented by an outdoor dining table for alfresco meals. The design integrates these elements effortlessly, offering a balance of private, functional, and social spaces that enhance the tropical living experience. The upper floor features 4 spacious bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom for enhanced comfort and privacy. A study room offers a quiet space for work or reading, while a family room serves as a cozy gathering area. The design ensures a balance of private retreats and shared spaces, creating an ideal environment for family living. The living room features a pavilion-like openness, framed by a 12-foot teak timber ceiling and expansive glass sliding doors on both sides. This design ensures abundant natural light and cross-ventilation, creating a breezy, tropical ambiance. Overlooking a water feature and lush greenery, the space seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, offering a tranquil yet elegant retreat. The kitchen combines functionality with elegance, featuring sleek cabinetry and large openings that frame views of the lush garden. Natural light floods the space, while its seamless connection to the adjacent dining area enhances the flow. Modern finishes and a minimalist design make it both practical and stylish for tropical living. This modern tropical villa in Singapore masterfully blends luxury, comfort, and nature. Its thoughtful design, featuring open spaces, natural materials, and seamless indoor-outdoor living, creates a serene yet sophisticated retreat. With its striking facade, airy interiors, and lush outdoor areas, this home offers the perfect balance of contemporary elegance and tropical charm.